Hi guys, today we're going to unbox a variable ND filter and dummy battery. What I bought is the ND filter for my 50mm prime lens. So ito yung binili natin. And then the 58mm variable ND filter. Saan ba ginagamit to? Usually ginagamit siya outdoors kapag sobrang liwanag sa labas. You can use this to dim your videos down para hindi siya mag-blow up yung image, lalo na kung gusto nyong gumamit ng mababang aperture or yung may blurred background. You can adjust them the way you want it. So kung only lang yung light na papasok, or pwede mong tanggalin yung filter. Ganito siya. Pinipihit lang siya para makita nyo kung maliwanag ba or hindi. Ganyan siya. Usually ginagamit to sa mga prime lens para magamit yung bokeh background or the blurred background. Usually dun siya ginagamit. Kapag tinodo nyo kasi yung like this one, if you're going to use the 1.8 na aperture, ang mangyayari is liliwanag yung pictures or yung video. So doon sa, if ever nasa outside kayo, ginamit nyo yung 1.8, kahit itodo nyo pa yung ISO nyo sa 100, what will happen is maliwanag pa din yung videos nyo, like this one. So kung maliwanag yan, pwede mong salpakan or lagyan ng variable ND filter para ma-dim niya yung lights. So you can adjust it like this one. So right here, I'm twisting the variable ND filter, and what happens is that dumidilim yung picture. So hindi na magbo-blow up yung image nyo. So kung ang balak nyo naman is walang blurred background, you can just remove the variable ND filter or just twist it back to the normal dimness. Ayun ang nagagawa ng variable ND filter. And then yung isa ko pang binili is yung I'm using it right now, the dummy battery for Canon EOS 750D. It is an LPE17 dummy battery. So if ever indoors lang naman kayo nag-video, you can use this para wait lang, papalit tayo ng shorts. Para bang sinasaksak nyo yung camera nyo diretso na sa outlet, which not all of Canon cameras do. Kailangan mo pa ng ganito, ng dummy battery para magawa yun. And binili ko siya for streaming and also for indoor or like this, headshots, tabletop na videos. You can use this. Itetest pa lang natin siya. Using it right now, sabi nung iba umiinit daw siya. Siguro pag chinek ko siya mamaya, check natin kung mainit ba or hindi. So ayun lang for this video. Marami pang videos na hindi nagagawa ng ganitong video. Puro unboxing lang ako. Ginawa ko kasi para magamit ko na siya agad. Pero right now wala pang mga headshot videos like this. Gagawin ko na siya ngayon, today. Next video naman natin is generator kasi napagana ko na siya, and I will make a video about that. Don't forget to subscribe para ma-inform kayo kung lalabas na yung videos na yun. At madami pang ibang videos. Please press the like button. And Sam is, he wants to poo-poo. Want to poo-poo?
Yes.
Oh no. Goodbye again. Thank you for watching. And goodbye.